It is very important to know which way dermaroll or roll any kind of tool on your face. This is very important because you want to follow lymphatic flow. And I read this book, Holistic Microneedling, the Manual of Natural Skin Needling, which is also showing any kind of rolling or tool using on the face direction matters really a lot. So here is the face that you want to actually go either up or to the side. On the nose you can actually go down. So this is lymphatic flow of the face, and here the neck and the chest, it is going either up or to the side. We're gonna start first with the Gua Sha. Gua Sha, it is metal, surgical stainless steel. This is not any kind of stone, so bacteria is not gonna be trapped. First tip that you want to know with Gua Sha, you actually not doing that or that, not doing straight, you sliding that because you're gonna be moving lymphatic flow. So that is very important. I'm gonna be using Ayurvedic, this is from KO Cancer Organics Beauty. I'm gonna be applying oil on my cheeks. That's gonna actually boost collagen and elastic production, blood flow, oxygen flow, gonna move lymphatic flow, which you know guys, lymph moves all the toxins. So if you have acne, it's a really great way to do Gua Sha. So let's get started. I'm gonna start actually with the back of the neck. This is how actually holistic Chinese professionals do. So you wanna find a spot, you wanna find with this middle part, starting over here, slide up till you get to the bone and then wiggle a little bit. You want to do this 5 times. I highly recommend to apply oil on the face if you are over 25, 30 years old. Next movement that you want to have is on the neck. You want to go like as much close to your neck as possible. Not that guys, but this way, right? Start like where's collarbone, right, on the side. Go up and wiggle. These movements is really great if you have migraines, headaches, if you even clench your jaw like I do sometimes, especially when we stress. So this relieves all the tensions and improves blood flow. When you improve flow in the neck, you're gonna improve flow in the entire head. And then with the middle part, you're gonna put the fingers here between those 2 collarbones and also up and wiggle 5 times. Over thyroid, you don't want to apply too much pressure. If you have a Hashimoto's or Graves' disease, I will recommend to skip this part. And then you can take whichever part is easier for you from the collarbone, everything out. So you can hold 2 fingers here and like everything pushing towards the armpit, because this is where we have a lymph nodes, and lymph nodes gonna help to release all the toxins that we have. So basically collarbone is here. I'm putting my fingers right here. And then from the middle, I'm pushing everything out and wiggle. You see, I didn't apply oil over here on my chest, but it's still sliding really good. And now go to the face, hold 2 fingers over here. The part is the best. Go up, wiggle. You can actually do this absolutely daily. You're gonna see improvements. There's no rules, guys. Be like free to use however you want, but always remember you wanna go out or up or this way. That's the main basically rule. Then I'm holding over here and applying slight pressure and wiggle here by the ear. With this pointy, you can actually do the marionette line over here. It actually will be like that, but it's kind of weird for me, so I'm just doing it this way. With the nose, you can go down. It will help with the... And now with the eye, you want to be very careful. You want to hold in the middle over here of the eye and very gentle, just with the feather stroke. Go up. With the brow, from the brow up, with the forehead, you can hold your brow with 1 finger or wherever and can go up. Only up, don't go down. This is the lymphatic flow, and also we want to work against the gravity, because gravity is what's pulling our skin down, and this is how we look saggy and older. And now with the eyebrow, you can hold your eyelid starting at the 11 lines, go out and wiggle. Some people have a very narrow bone structure. You can actually do this, holding your eyelid this way, but for me, I kind of feel that there's not enough space, so I'm just going with this part. I don't know if you guys see the difference, but to me, this side looks much more lifted and much more like youthful. Maybe it's just me, you let me know.